Hello, welcome to another edition of your midterm drill. My name is Mrs. Loveling. Nice to meet you. Okay, so today we'll be looking at some sounds. And the first sound is ooh. Everybody say that? Ooh. Again. Ooh. Very good. Now here are some words with the ooh sound. Let's say it together. Say after me. The first word here is book. Everybody say that. Book. Very good. Again. Book. Good. The next word I'm going to give you today is cook. Say that. Cook. Again. Cook. Then the next word is took. Again. Took. Again. Took. Very good. Another word is hook. Again. Hook. Again. Hook. And the last word for today is look. Again. Look. Again. Look. Now let's say it again. Book. Cook. Took. Hook. And look. Very good. So if you're asked to transcribe these words, how would you go about that? Now this is the way you go about your transcriptions. For example, we asked to transcribe the word book. How do you go about this? The first thing you do, you put down your slash. Always remember that when you're transcribing your word, always put down your slash. Okay, so we have to transcribe this word book. So the first thing we do is to write down a slash like this. Good. Then after that, the first letter in the word book says B. Again, B. So we write down the sound B. Now, OO says the sound OO. OO. So you write down the sound OO. Good. Then the last letter there is K. And the K says the sound K. Again, K. Then you write down K. Don't forget to always end your transcription with a slash. A beginning slash and the ending slash is very, very important. Now let's look at another example. For example, we actually transcribe another word like cook. Cook. Good. Now what's the first thing you do? You write down your slash. Good. Have you done that? No. Very good. Now the next letter is C, right? Letter C says the sound K. How you to write the sound K there? K. Good. So your C changes to K. Good. So we write down K. That's the sound K. Good. Now OO says the sound OO. Good. So you write down OO, right? The letter K says the sound K. So you write down what? K. Like I said, always remember to close your transcriptions with a slash. Very good. So you have your beginning slash and your ending slash. Very good. Thumbs up. So let's move on to the next sound. The next sound is ow. Everybody say that. Ow. Good. Again. Ow. Very good. Now this sound goes with two different letters. The first letter is OU. Say that. OU. Good. Then the next letter is OW. Again. OW. Very good. So these two letters say the sound ow. Very good. These two letters say the sound ow. Very good. Now here are some words that goes with this sound ow. The first word is out. Again. Out. Again. Out. Good. And the next word is loud. Everybody say that. Loud. Again. Loud. Good. Another word is cow. Say that. Cow. Again. Cow. Very good. Then another word to look at is how. Again. How. So if you're asked to transcribe words with the sound ow, How do we go about it? Here we go. Firstly, when you're to transcribe your words, don't forget I said you have to write down your slash. They are very, very important. Now let's transcribe the word how, for example. Now the first thing you do is to write down your slash. You write down your slash. Good. The letter H says the sound again. Good. So we write down the sound. Then OW there says the sound ow again. Ow. Good. So we have to write down our sound. Ow. And you do that again at the end. You close your slash. Very good. The next example is out. Everybody say that. Out. Good. So to transcribe the word out, what's the first thing we do? Write down your slash. Good. So you write down your slash, then OU says the sound ow. Good. So write down the sound ow. Then T says the sound t, t, t. Again. T. Good. So you write down the sound t. And what do you do at the end? You close your slash. Brilliant. Very okay. So like I said at the beginning, the sound ow has two letters, right? Which are OU and OW. Very good. Now the home drill. Transcribe the following words with the sound oo and the sound ow. Cheerio.